Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you receive all the information on how to build your business to six figures and beyond. A six-figure cleaning business and beyond. Yay! So I was thinking, if I could do anything else when it came to a business, would I still choose the cleaning industry? Now, I've been in the cleaning business industry for around 25 years, and I thought about it with all that's going on with so many individuals starting small businesses. There are so many more opportunities when it comes to small businesses. Would I still choose the cleaning industry as one of the businesses I would choose to open? Because I am a believer in having one, and then once you scale the one, having no problem with opening another, whether it be a a nonprofit or another small business that you truly love. Now, if I had to do it all over again, or if I were to say, would I choose another small business or would I stick with the cleaning industry? I absolutely would stick with the cleaning industry. I love several things when it comes to the cleaning industry. Years ago when I got started, like I said, there wasn't even close to the opportunities when it comes to marketing and having your clients come to you, and actually positioning your cleaning business where, it gets a lot more respect because individuals understand now how important cleaning is. So there are people with like college degrees, MBAs, that are looking at opening cleaning businesses. So it's no longer sometimes had that stigma that, oh, wow, this is something that just anyone can do, or it's like the rock bottom industry. No, 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 no. The cleaning industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry. That's right. It is really, really large when you encompass all the different types of cleaning, from doing cars to real estate to commercial to industrial. It is a billion-dollar industry with a B, billion. So we know that this is one of the well sought after industries that you have chosen to be in. So 3 reasons why I love doing the cleaning or belonging to the cleaning industry. Number 1, I love the fact that you can see instant results. When you go into the cleaning industry, you can change the landscape of whatever you're doing right away. That is something I truly, truly enjoy. Number 2, the money is phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. My background is in accounting and I was in the Air Force. But add all that up, my very first year when I started in this industry, I thought it was a mistake. There was no way I could do something legal like this and make the money that I was making. I had not even come close to that when it came to the industry that I was in, which was accounting. So the reason why number 3 I realized is because I was able to have someone else other than me do the work. In accounting was a little bit of a challenge to do that, but in this industry, it is not, and it was not. So you can leverage yourself when it comes to someone else doing the work, having employees do the work, and making the income and the impact was what was important to me as well. Really, really great money, helping others when they're looking for a part-time or a full-time job, giving them a career and not just a job, and changing their lives as well. So if I had to do it all over again, the answer would be absolutely yes. And one other thing I love the residual, because you have a contract if you do it the correct way. I very seldom have one-time projects. The majority of the time, even if I'm working on a post-construction, I always get a long-term contract. And that is something that if you're interested in learning how to do, among other things, I would love to teach you. So you have an invite to my Learn How I Made $30,000 in my commercial cleaning business within 60 days continuously. $30,000 a month, 60 days within within my cleaning business doing commercial cleaning. So I was so excited. I would love to invite you. Make sure you click the registration link below. It's live. Make sure you set aside about 80 minutes with no distractions. Leave your phone off or put it to the side, or like mine, have it on vibrate, but make sure you put it down and bring pen and paper. What you're going to learn, you will be able to implement in your cleaning business as soon as the masterclass is over. So I invite you, if you're interested in learning all there is in client attraction, acquisition, retaining, marketing, sales, how to hire your employees, all of that, how to automate it so you can leverage and have employees and not do the work yourself, then make sure you click the link below to register for my How I Made $30,000 in My Cleaning Business, commercial cleaning business, not just one time, but a month within 60 days masterclass. So I look forward to seeing you. And until then, be safe and have a great day. Bye-bye.